To make a reusable menstrual pad, you're going to need two pad patterns. The first is the outer layer pattern, and second is the inner layer pattern. You can download and print our pad patterns by going to this website. But if you'd like to learn how to make your own pad patterns, keep watching. Otherwise, skip to the next chapter. To create your own pad pattern, take your favorite disposable pad with wings and trace the shape on a piece of paper. This will be your outer layer. To draw the inner layer, trace another outer layer on a piece of paper. Then, draw an inner pattern approximately 1 finger from the edges. You do not need to draw wings for this. Finally, cut out the outer and inner pattern.